Using made for iPhone hearing aids, let's make sure your iPhone is set up to help you hear clearly and comfortably. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe for more accessibility features that help your iPhone work for you. Step 1. First, make sure your hearing aids are paired with your iPhone. If they are not, go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, and pair them just like you would with any other Bluetooth device. Step 2. Now, open the Settings app again. Step 3. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Step 4. Under the Hearing section, tap Hearing Devices. Step 5. If your hearing aids are connected, you will see their name here. Tap on them to view and adjust the settings. Step 6. Here you can adjust volume separately for each ear. Turn on or off Live Listen, choose between different audio presets, view battery levels, and even stream calls or audio directly to your hearing aids. This gives you full control over how your hearing aids work with your iPhone right from your pocket. You can also add hearing to your control center for quick access to features like Live Listen. Just go to Settings, tap Control Center, then tap the green plus next to Hearing, and that's it. With your hearing aids paired and customized, your iPhone becomes an even better companion. Hit subscribe for more helpful iPhone features that support your hearing and accessibility needs.